Ito ang latest chika mga mosang. Doon Paylina na naalala pa niya ang puppy love niya sa panayam ng isang mosang. Napag-usapan kasi nila kung na-experience niya ba ang puppy love. Do you ever experience a puppy love? When you heard this phrase, naalala mo pa ba kung sino siya? Kanino mo unang ibinigay ang iyong paghanga? Kanino ka unang kinilig? Kay sarap lamang balikan ang mga panahong tila ang basihan ng pag-ibig ay paghanga lamang. Ngunit sa iyong pagtanda, you will realize that love is not just about admiring someone. And that there are a lot of things to consider. It is only temporary, but it is an important part of growing up. It taught us something that we can use, that even if it was not meant to last, at least we learn what it means to feel, and that it is real. Tapos, humirit pa sa huli ang aktor. Hirit niya nga, huwag kang magalit. Bel, puppy love lang naman. Ikaw yung first at huli ko.